Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G60S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices. After that, choose Power New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to, in my case this Poco. Wait for the pop-up and select Pair in it. Now wait for this device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on this little gear icon next to the device and choosing Forget. Now you need to confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!